Wow, that's neat. Neat choo-choo. Yeah. These are like 250. She's mesmerized. Maddy's mesmerized with these trains. She's like, Dad, why don't you get a train like this? Yeah. Where's my train like this, Dad?
Start to smoke. It's smoke over there, Terry. It's supposed to be smoke over there. Yeah, it's smoking out of the engine. Oh, okay. They are pumping out of it. I think that's what you have the passenger car.
Hey, Terry, what do you put in there to make it smoke?
People in there.
Huh?
I love those little people. This is holding her interest for quite a while.
Oh, yeah.
It is? Yeah.
And she never stays this still.
No, choo-choo.
That's the coolest train ever. On the board, choo-choo.
Oh wow, look, the other one is going.
Wow.
Look at the people on the train.
It's like a Santa Fe.
See the people on there? They're riding the train.
The real people.
That's really cool, Terry. That's really cool.
She is. I never come here and look at it.
I really like it. We can really know. Like that little guy coming out of the gatehouse.
Where?
Oh, there. Slowing down. Starting to slow down. The longer you run it, the more smoke comes out. Like little pills. I used to use the liquid. Same stuff. Depends what the engine is. This train set here from like 48. Straight set. That's from the early 50s. Yeah, the 48. I remember something like that. Well, they made this probably from 1948 to 1952. Yeah. And then various versions, you know, they're from the whole time.
That boxcar and
And the oil tank. And now I remember I had an oil tank like that. And you could take the pumps off. They're not made to come off. You could take them off. That's why a lot of them aren't around nowadays. That silver tanker. It's got the little wire going across. Actually, this